Alright, beauty loves, welcome to day 2 of the Makei makeup challenge. So today is all about the smoky look, sultry look, whatever you want to do, but do it to your liking. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So as always, I like to start off with priming my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the medium beige. And you'll see that here soon, right now. Boom. So I'm putting that all over my eyelid, and then again I'm going to blend it out with my fingers. I normally use my fingers to blend things out. Sometimes I use a brush, but y'all know it's mostly my fingers. And y'all already know it has to be some singing up in this joint and some theatrics, so get used to it. That's just who I am, okay? So I am blending that out with my fingers, and then afterwards I am going to set it with translucent powder because that does set it in place and it makes it easier for your eyeshadow to just slip and glide across your eye when you're applying your eyeshadow. So just go ahead, get some translucent powder and set that bad baby into place. Now using my Maybelline, I think that's the Skinny Master Precise Pencil. It's one of the newer ones they have out. I'm going to do my tight line. Well, I'm going to try and do my tight line. My eyes are so sensitive there, y'all. I swear they are. So, yeah, that part. So, going in with, I believe, what is this? I think this is the Dirty Little Secret and the teaser. There it is. Boom. So, this is the Dirty Little Secret teaser, and I'm using that as a transition color this time. So it's a very, very light brown. It's very close to my skin tone. So that's what you see me doing. I'm just putting that right above my crease, using it as a transition color. So in my MAC's customized palette that I don't know the names of those colors, I'm using that deeper tan whatever color, and I'm putting that in my crease to warm up my crease a little bit. Yeah, I went into the MAC store and I was like, I want one of them, that one, and that one. Didn't even look at the colors. Okay, now going right into my crease, I am using one of the browns from my NYX Pro Palette. It's always sitting on my lap, so that's what I tend to go to if I need a brown. If it has the right type of brown that I need, I should say. So I'm just warming up, just adding depth, I should say, to my crease. So that's what you see me doing here. And then you just continue to add more and more of the color on until you get it to the intensity that you want it to be. Okay, so using again my little Walmart brush, I am adding just a deeper brown. It's a matte brown. It's from the Sephora's Primal Instincts palette. It's a palette that I got a while back, but it was one of their like holiday palettes, and I got it and I love it. And I still, of course, I don't just go through my palettes. I don't use all of my palettes on my clients. So this is one I don't really use on my clients. So I'm just putting that in my outer V, and I'm just adding more depth, more sultriness to the look. And you just blend, blend, blend. You know the name of the game now. You just blend, blend, blend. Now, using that same color from that same palette, I'm just using the Tyra Beauty makeup brush, and I'm just doing circular motions just to give it a little bit more of the sultry look, to blend it a little bit better. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. I'm just doing a lot of blending, a lot of blending. That's why I speed a lot of this up, because it's just blending, 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 blending. So now I'm just gonna go over right on the outer edges of that browns, and I think I haven't added black yet, but the deep browns, I'm just adding more of the palette from the customized palette to give it more of that warmth look. Now, this is another palette. It's a discontinued palette from MAC, but it was the Studio Fix palette, and it has the blush, and it has like 6 shimmer colors, and they're all like copper colors. So I mixed like the copper and like a bronzy looking color, and then like a reddish looking color to get this color right. I'm putting it on my eyelid right now. So I'm just patting that on up to like the mid part of my inner eye, not going past there, because I don't want to go over the parts that I've already blended as far as the deeper browns. Now using my handy dandy, y'all already know what this is. Like, why y'all playing with me? But that is the Ruby Kisses eyeliner. I didn't do the wing liner. I know it looked like I was gonna do the wing liner, but I'm not. I actually stopped, and I didn't want to do the wing liner this time. I know, surprising, right? Hello. But yeah, I didn't feel like doing the wing liner, so. So going back in with the brown, I'm just adding more, and then I'm adding also black from the 35C, the Morphe 35C palette. So that's what you see me doing here. Now to just add more highlight and concealer under my eye, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the medium beige, and I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender. And then I'm going to also set that with powder. Now going back using my Maybelline Skinny Master Precise Pencil, I'm now doing my waterline. I don't know what it was, but that particular day I was recording, my eyes were just like so sensitive. So sensitive. So no matter what type of eyeliner I was using, it was just so sensitive, y'all. My goodness. Y'all, have you ever gotten to that point where your eyes is just sensitive? So whatever I do on the top of my lid, I pretty much do or mimic the bottom. In this case, because this is a smoky look, I'm just putting brown at the bottom. I don't go overboard on the bottom. That's just not my thing. You know, that may be other people's thing. Sometimes I do, but for the most part, a lot of my looks, I don't go overboard underneath my eye. Now this is the Kleancolor Golden Nugget lip liner, and I just wanted a neutral lip, so I just added like a clear gloss over it, and that was that, honey. That was that, you know. Hello. So guys, don't forget, when you're doing your makeup looks and you're participating in the challenge, don't forget to hashtag Makei Makeup Challenge, and I will put that hashtag at the end of this video. So yeah, go ahead and do that thing, okay? just like really neutral. Really, really neutral. And I had already done my foundation, so I didn't need to do my foundation. So I was good to go, y'all. Again, I will be updating my foundation routine in the next coming weeks, so just stay tuned for that. So as always, guys, don't forget to make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you know exactly when my videos are released. And here's the finished look. Just a nice smoky eye, not too much, not too little, but just right for me. So yes, girl. You see it. So I would love to see you guys' looks. So don't forget, again, hashtag Makei Makeup Challenge, and drop me a comment, positive comment, only positivity on this particular channel right here, because we have enough of ish going on in the world. We need a little positivity, some uplifting. So as always, don't forget to aspire to inspire someone every day. And until tomorrow, you guys have a blessed day.